This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by fixing clear, measurable goals. What counts as success and by when? Once defined, audit your digital assets, site, analytics tags, content, email lists, creative. Make sure tracking works before spending money. Then map audience segments and pick one primary channel to test first. This reduces scope and accelerates learning. You'll prioritize channels based on where your audience already is and where you can measure outcomes quickly, so you can start running meaningful tests today rather than planning forever. Now move into execution. Draft a concise campaign brief that ties the offer to a single CTA and KPIs. Once done, implement tracking, UTM parameters, conversion pixels, and an /B testing framework, so every action maps to a metric. Then produce 3 creative variants to test messaging and visuals. Launch in phases. Small spend to validate, then scale winning variants. Make sure budgets, bids, and targeting are aligned with your KPIs, and that reporting dashboards refresh automatically for daily decisions. Finish by optimizing and scaling what works. Analyze CPA, conversion rate, and ROAS, then pause underperformers. You should iterate on landing pages, offers, and audience segments weekly to squeeze more efficiency. Once a variant consistently hits targets, scale incrementally and protect data integrity by documenting tests. If performance suddenly drops, first check tracking and conversion tags, then creative fatigue and bid or budget shifts. Often the fix is a quick retest or replacing an exhausted creative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.